Man, I had the recording already, but I freaking pressed end instead of resume the recording. Merc. AMD seems to be going up. I'll go 2 lots here with my stop here on this color change. See the color change right here. Enter there, stop here. Then stop. My stop's at 25 right here. Yo, this looks pretty damn good on the 15-minute. If it's able to close like that. If this thing just closes like this in 10 minutes, yeah. 3 pushes, let's see. 1, 2, yeah. Maybe this 200 to possibly the 109 whole number. The 15 looks so good though. Yeah, might throw an order up right now. I want it at 109, but we might have some potential resistance here and here. But we'll see. I entered a bit late, it seems. Triggered at 669. I might have to start tightening up my stop because we're coming into resistance. I don't know how it's going to react. This might be what I do. If it starts pulling back now, I'll probably take one off at break even, but leave the 1 lot down here because I want to live through this 15 minute looks excellent. Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah, I would say I need 1 more push. Let's just get that to 109, baby girl. Hit that. Hit that. Come on. 15-minute looks so good, bro. Narrow state. Oh my god. That looks so good on the 15. I may have to lock in this 108 because if this thing really does this, that's freaking 180 at the 20 or 200. Come on. It's really tailing out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Take one off. 55 cents. I think I just got played. It's alright. It's alright. We taking this off. Yeah. Probably could have gotten here actually. One, two, three. Take profit right here. I basically got out on bar by bar. Just gotta live through the pullback now. This thing, this thing needs to stay above this. Yeah. Is this a whale? Is this a pause whale? We'll add one there. I'm moving my stop up to break even. Because if this pulls back right now, it's gonna pull back. This might be the pause whale. Or I'm out at 109, 108.19, 108.19. If I see 108.19, I'm out. What the freak? I put one more on. This might be a pause whale. $55 divided by 3, 18 cents. My stop is at 17 or 19. Yeah, my stop's still sitting here. I added one. If I stop out, I break even on everything. But if this is a pause whale, this went from 106.80, 107.80, 108.80, $2, 680, 780, 880. So this could go from 108 potentially to 110 for the pause whale. Once this little guy starts getting in the middle of the move, I'll get out. Oh my god, that looks so good on the 15-minute. That's dead ass up, surging off the 200, clearing everything. It might fill this up. 109. We wanted it at 109, remember? In reality, I want to take profits at 110. Possible. Below this bar is 34. This is a pause wheel, so I'm looking for like 3 pushes again. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, into 110. I am inclined to move my stop under this one, this bar. 33. This this 15 minutes should follow through for real. Come on, gang. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I should probably lock this bar in. Basically break even. This 200 needs to hold right here. If it really dips down like that, it's basically triggering this 180. I don't want that. That might have been an ad low key right here. Move your stop here. Low key, that was an ad. Hidden color change, you see it? Bounced off the 200, triggered here, stop here. Technically, I could have my stop here. I'll be back, yo. Alright, we back. Trail under this big bar. I'm only gonna put that for one lot. I don't want to trail too close. Other two are gonna sit under this 200. See that? See how that 15-minute right here? Yeah, that was an ad right there. Because on the 15 or 5, it was this hidden off the 200 after it closed above, it came back, tested it, and then the 15-minute, I drew it in as well, right? This TP should hit for real. 30 more cents. Come on, gang. Oh, shoot. This may be enough. Hold up. Oh, 873. Oh, should I take this? Or should I wait for the 110 to hit? Because I did the exact calculation. It's about $1.80 something. And I added from here to here. Yeah, if I added more lots here, I would probably be taking some up. Boom, boom. You have like 2 lots left trailing. I'll take 2 off here if it breaks. Uh-oh. If this holds the 8 and color changes, I might get another ad. Here we go. Here we go. 2 lot ad. Potential 2 lot ad. Psych. Psych. We stopping out. Hold that, please. Hold that. Hold that 8. Stopping out. Jeez. I'm gonna get out now. Come back in later if it triggers again. It's breaking the 8. Before it was respecting the 8. It's probably gonna pull back to the 20 now. I'll get back in on that. This might bounce off the 20. Low key. 200. I was gonna hold my stop here, remember? Here. Let's see though. Maybe the 13's holding this better. See how everything else is doing. This is nice. Pretty big pullback though. Baba. Yeah. This thing is tanking down again. Got a hidden color change right there. This thing will trigger. Stop's gonna be at 62. 62. Let's see if I could get mad right here. Three lots. Right. My stop is here at 71. 70. A bit of slippage. Risking 37 cents. Yeah, a bit of slippage. I meant to get in a bit earlier. It's okay though. Pullback color change. Event stop. 1 cent below the low. Here. At 108.70. Pause. We'll be back. Uh-oh. We about to stop out. We about to stop out. This stop. It's off the 13, but the 200 is right there. You could easily go back, bounce off that Eden 200, double dip, and still go up. Maybe I should have been more patient, wait for it to get to the 20, because this is around 108.60 and the 20 is still lagging behind at 43. All right, pause, resume. We about to stop out. If it triggers again at the 20, I'll take it for the last trade of the day. Was a bit too rushed on this trade. Damn, slippage on that, bro. $119 loss. Yeah, sell the 20 right here. Pullback is so nice. Boom. Pause whale. I should have taken profits. Too stuck on getting that whole number. 1 bar is like 2. Now it's pulling back to the same area. Triggers over the top right now. I'm gonna go 2 lots. Technically, I just got on the double dip right here. Triggered here, stop here. Double dip got me. Oh, 2 lots. 2 lots going in. I was supposed to get it at 08.97. I could have put 3 lots on 97, stop at 65. 97 minus 64. 33 cents. Yeah, that was 3 lots. I'm a bit late though. So we'll go undersized on this one because the last one was a bit oversized. My stop is below this at 65, 64. And it's finally triggering off this, so it should keep going. Let's see. Moment of truth. Uh-oh. Oh, oh. This one might drop. Oh, this looks good to go. Alright, I'm gonna pause for now, get myself together, try to find the clean trends, probable trends. And then we'll decide if we want to. But today, max loss to go with, if I do lose, is $200. $200. That red number, $200. That's it. If I lose. Alright, be back. Holy. Look at Square. First bar, clearing that thing. Probably enter on anticipation. Red, 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 bro. Bar by 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 bar. You would be out here. And this thing is probably off the 53 hole number. Bro, this is probably the 8 right here. Off 20, but it failed. I'm thinking what Square and AMD are gonna do are retrace on the 15-minute, correct itself right quick. Bro, if this thing like pulls back here and gets a set up off the 8, that's beautiful. AMD, I still think this thing could go. In fact, I might enter right now. 2 lots. And I wonder. Let's see. Alright. Let's try it. The 2-minute may have played me. But look at the 5-minute. Let's remove all of these lines. The way it pulled back. Okay, that might have been dumb. Into the hooking 8. That may have been dumb. I'll probably get out at the bottom of these. 58. That may have been dumb. This 3-bar pullback. This thing needs to get over the top over here. I'll get one out here. Maybe both, man. This is that trader's a bit off. That was dumb of me. Hooking 8. It's getting messy on the 2-minute. 1 minute having trouble. 5. Pullback isn't even regardless of the MA, so this is pullback to the 50%. Let's get going again. See that? This needs to get above these highs, bro. I played myself under this hook 8. Slippage, man. That's the mental stops. You quick. One more trade. This might be the 8. Psych, it's over it. It's the thing with AMD is my stop price should have been here at the pivot. I couldn't afford that though. I'd want this 8 to catch up. Maybe a pullback to 108 is okay. Whoa. Wow, look at that V. This honestly looked like violence kinda. Into the 200. Bounce. Stayed within 50%. It didn't get pushed. Oh, this was nice on the 15. Halting at 20. Boom, boom, boom. And this is a 3 lotter right here. This is like exhausting kind of. Boom and then exhausting. JPM looks like it's gonna check to I don't want this. It's gonna be tough because if it triggers off this, it's right up there. It's low key, I hit it right here if it triggers. This is triggering. It's a bit far from here. 5 minute was declining. You just above now. 15 go, 15. Not looking too good. Oh, damn. This pullback was pretty deep, to be honest, but damn. Looking for a long on AMD. Oh, hold up. Am I looking for a long? This is probably why the move is failing now. Just 1 hour off that 200. What am I looking for? A short. Contradicting info. Man, this should have been mine and done for the day. Would have been done at 7:50. Like 30 minutes to the day. Alright, be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got my last trade in for the day. I'm entering long again. Off this color change. I'm not waiting for that tail. This 5 minute basically triggered my stops bottom. Yeah, I guess I traded into the 200. Ah, 2 minute is starting a downtrend. 15 minute is below the 200. This has room to pull back still. Ah, oh shoot, oh shoot. This wasn't the best trade because time frame weren't aligned. 2 minute was down. Just 20, 200. I was basically trading right into this 200. And this, I just entered on the bottom. That was kind of not a great trade. Wow. Disney hidden color change right here. And it's literally right here. And it's going nuts. It's going nuts. The best entry would have been on this 15 right here. Oh, wait. Wait. JPM, the 15 minute is about to trigger short, but the 5 minute has this 20 MA support. So does the 2 minute. Probably look for a short trigger if these get below the 20. S-Book's long looks good. It's cleared above all of this, but right into this 200. That's really the only thing. Alright, we'll be back. Y'all, 15 minutes later, if this triggers, hopefully we get an acorn on the 15. That'll be magnificent. 2 minute is kind of in a downtrend right now. This big bar. Only issue on the 5 minute is this 200, and it's getting under that 20, which is also an issue. Oh, another issue. This 1 hour right here is looking pretty dang short. So I don't know if I should go short or something. Oh, Disney also looks good to go long. Boom. This one's clear of everything. Let me see where the stop is. 81. I could get 10 lots at 81.10. Oh shoot! I accidentally put 1100. My bad. This one's probably at the 8 MA. My last trade for the day. Didn't mean to put 1100. You know what? I'll take one off. How about that? Now I'm risking perfect $100 on this last trade of the day. Stop 1 cent below this at 81. Pullback color change right here on the rising 20, which on the 8 also looks good. This is the one of the ones with the time frame alignment. The way it pulled back, upper 50 off the 8. This could trigger it, then it could go. 20, but it's kind of trading over the 20 right now on the 1 hour with a pretty fat bullish bar. Daily has room, like please, actually like go up to 82.20. I would like that. Just waiting for a new high here. Then I'll move my stop to break even. And if it never happens, we're taking a full loss. Unless this is like a big bar right here. But if it is a big bar, it probably would get us to this old high. So I'll be back for updates. Update, if this bar is able to close strong, I will just move my stop below it to break even. This is not. This should follow through better. But yeah. We'll see what happens. Update. If I get a 2-bar break of the 20, that's going to be my exit on the downside. Or it takes me out at 81. But I'm going to have to believe in this 20 right now. Pause. Alright, update. We're going to lock in 81 cent. Max we're losing today is the $200 max loss. Because the 20 is already above it here. Getting strong bars closing above. My stop's with this bar. Alright, letting this thing right up. Nothing's in the way. Besides maybe here. Like let's encourage this thing to get up to 82.50. Encourage this to 82.20. Alright, gang. See ya. Update coming back. What I want to see ideally. This with the 20 right underneath. I'm gonna stop under this bar. 81.14. Be back for updates. Update. It did what I wanted it to do. So we're gonna lock in 110 below this low, 81.14, just to account for slip. I don't want a couple steps. I have 1,000 lots, and it's a $30 loss. Update, y'all. It's not going as planned. Should I lock in the bottom of this? Nah. Can I expect a new high? Let's put in like I mean, this is technically one leg, but like there wasn't really any pullbacks because they were so shallow. So it looks kind of continuous. This one is the actual first pullback to the 20. I don't know if this is gonna go. Oh shoot. So it looks like AMD did not materialize. The 2-minute one out. 2-minute with the earliest signal of the day. Boom. This is kind of beautiful. Pullback, pullback, boom. That is a tiny bar, bro. 29 minus 15, what is that? 15-cent bar? Yeah. That's nuts. You drop from here. What's going on? You drop from here. 14 to this. 15. $1. Pretty much exactly $1. Which puts us at what? $1. $1 on 15 cents. That is almost a 7-to-1 trade. 6-to-1. Would be up $600 to this 200 right here. And trend already got established. I mean, it fell from the very top, actually. Boom, boom. It's going down. Beautiful. Ads. The rest is history. Looks like we're still living. 20 MA's holding. Don't want to move the stop too close yet. Let's close above this at least, 81.41. Then I'll move my stop under this to 81.20. Lock in 10 cents on 1,000 shares. That's $100. And we'll be back to update. Update, y'all. I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute bar to close, but it is looking pretty good. So 20 more seconds, we'll move our stop to 81.20. It's looking pretty good. Below this 15-minute bar, I assume. Okay, so we lock in 10 cents a lot on 10 lots. So our max loss for today will be only 85. 100 basically. Already tapping into that new high and struggling. 20 may gone flat, but I want to give this space in case it does go. Because honestly, 15-minute looks really good to go. And we'll be back for some updates. Check out AMD. Trend down. I don't know if I covered this in the last time, but look at this. Woo! Oh, I think I did 6 to 7. It was almost a 6 to 7 to 1 trade there. This one was better, of course, because it had more space to the 200. But it is still in a downtrend. And it could trigger right here, but the risk to reward is just not as attractive. It still is tradable though, because this tiny thing probably has like 3-4 to 1 into the 200. Her stock on Disney is now trading at that new high. Ideally, what we see is this. Oh shit, that's a lot of green. I mean, that's what we do want to see, a lot of green. But we want to close above 2-bar follow through. If it does that, I'll move my stop up another 10 cents above below this bar at 81.30. Lock in 20 cents, and that'll be break even for the day. But I'm willing to let this thing have a bit of space right now to run. But I'm also acknowledging that this new high might fail after all this good work it's been putting in. And yeah, basically got the 5-minute bar by bar going, or 15-minute. So we'll be back. This trade, we're chilling, letting it do its thing. We're not gonna interrupt too much. We don't even need to find ads because we already have on our whole line. Alright, y'all. Peace. Update, y'all. It seems to have closed above. Questionable. I might want to see a bit more though. But definitely if this profit take gets hit, then for sure I'll move my stop here or here. I also want to see this 20 come up a bit more so that I can move my stop to 81.30. And yeah, I don't know if this just color changed off the 8. If it did, that's good. Seems like it might be catching on to the 8 now. So I'll be back when this bar closes. If it closes nice and strong, stop is going to 81.30 and we're locking in 20 cents. Can't lose money for the day. In the update, beautiful close, finally above. We got the new high, so we will indeed be locking in break even for the day. Beautiful. I could even move it to 33 under this one. I would say now it's finally above. This one was questionable, but now new high is being created. 2-bar break. So I have my stop 10 cents away from here. You know what? I'll take 4 lots off, or maybe have them layered. Put one at like 81.70. How about that? $82.50. We'll put that one at 81.65. And then change this one to 2 lots. So 2 lots off at 50 cents, one off at like 55, and the other off at 60. starting to respect that 20. I will probably move my stop to 33 right now under this color change. Why? Because the 20 is coming above it. 20 is already above it. And I got the new high, so I should be trying to lock in more money, not let it fall back too much. I have about 400 bucks right now. If everything goes wrong and the new high fails, I will lock in at least, what is it? 230 bucks. So that's a bit more than half of what I have. So that's decent. Alright, y'all. And just chilling into the next update. Hopefully these hit. That's like the best update possible. Hopefully this is what we get. Extension, so that we could actually look to get out. Worst case is this thing either violently drops or walks down and unfortunately takes us out anyways. See how it was on that 20 before though? Now it's really on the 8, so just need some extension now. Is what we really want to see. We'll be back. Update, y'all. This is now officially in May grind territory, and our first TP has been hit. 2 lots at the 50-cent mark, and we got one at 65 and 70. We will move our stop now to 81.40. That's where the 220 is. Locking in 30 cents on 8 lots. So going home with money now. And realistically, we should be getting out on the break of the 8, midway between the 8 and 20. But we'll give it the most space. We want to see this thing succeed in life. I was going to take 3 off at 60, but I decided to layer them up and take 4 off around 81.60 to 81.70, but those haven't hit. $61. You know, the best thing actually is if we lock in this new high at 81.46. I'll do that once the 20 gets above there. How about that? Basically where this line is. Alright, update y'all in when something happens. Also wanted to add that this is on the 8 pretty nicely, and it hasn't gotten extension yet. So I'm not gonna bar by bar because I don't want to get nicked out. Like if I bar by bar here, you see, work out. So if it breaks the 8, then I'll get out. But hopefully this just keeps running for the rest of the day, you know, fulfill my wildest dreams. But for now, yeah. Next stop is at 81.45 on that old high. Update, y'all. We might be getting an ad at 60. Put the 2 lots back on. If this triggers off the 8 at 60, we shall see. Hopefully it does. Doesn't seem to be too violent of a pullback yet, which is good. We could look to add. All right, y'all. I don't know why it's not triggering my ad, but it's not triggering my ad. I wanted to add there though. Yeah, it's not triggering my ad. Try one more time. What's wrong with this? Yeah, it's not triggering. Kept trying to put the 2 lots back on, it's not triggering. But now I will lock in the 45 for the old high. 35 cents on every lot. And ideally this runs. Be back for updates. Update y'all. It's not looking good. We'll look to take oh psych. Just let it do its thing. We got 20 MA support here, 8 MA support. But that bar was kind of violent though. Oh shoot, see? See? What was that? What was that? Some sudden volatility. Looks like the 8 is no longer relevant. I guess I could have taken some out a bit earlier here. This pivot. But the whole time I was trailing that 20. But it did break the 8. And we might be out for the day right now. At 45. The old high. It's not taking us out. There it is. All right. $81.45. So these never hit. It came close, pretty close, 1 cent off. But I wasn't sitting here monitoring. It looks like it for real is breaking now though. This one just closed below the 20. And this one went further by like a cent. The 5-minute bar looks pretty violent. Wiping out 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 green bars. Pretty violent. And it's a Friday. Traded like another 2 hours. So let's look to call it a day. How about that? Let's calculate the profits on that. Oh, I think it's just 382 because it's my only Disney trade ticket. 382 minus 185, yeah. 197. So end the day positive. Alright, the trend is officially over though. AMD did trigger but didn't go 200 here. All orders, open orders, nothing. Disney 0, AMD 0. Alright. And we're done for the weekend, y'all. Peace.